Dreamina Seedance 2.5 is officially the first global launch of this new AI video model. And today, I'm going to use it to create complete e-commerce product commercials from simple reference assets. Creating professional product videos usually requires cameras, locations, models, and hours of editing. But with Dreamina Seedance 2.5, you can turn product images and creative references into cinematic marketing videos with realistic movement, consistent visuals, and much more control. Dreamina is ByteDance's in-house AI product from the same parent company behind TikTok, and the platform has been upgraded specifically to maximize the capabilities of Seedance 2.5. The Seedance series, making Dreamina one of the best and most affordable ways to use this model. Today, I'll test its advanced reference control, 30-second generation, professional production workflows, and intelligent edit mode by creating different e-commerce product videos. After opening Dreamina, I'm taken directly to the creative workspace. Everything is organized in one place, including AI video, AI image, AI audio, avatars, canvas, and more. Instead of switching between multiple tools, creators can manage their entire creative workflow inside Dreamina. To begin, I'll open AI video, select Seedance 2.5, and enable Omni Reference. For the first test, I'll upload a sneaker product image and create a dynamic e-commerce advertisement, and enable Omni Reference. Up to 50 multimodal reference assets. One of the biggest capabilities of Seedance 2.5 is support for up to 50 multimodal reference assets, which is currently a top-level capability in the market. This means I can combine multiple images, video clips, and audio references to give the model more information about the product, movement, visual style, and creative direction.
Step into your moment.
The result creates a professional product advertisement with realistic details, smooth motion, and a strong marketing look. Another powerful workflow is combining image references with video references. The product image controls the appearance and identity of the product, while the video reference guides the movement, camera angles, and interaction style. Use the product image as the main reference and preserve the exact design, shape, and details of this smart home device. This makes it much easier to create multiple product variations while keeping the main product visually consistent. Now I'll test the complete Omni Reference workflow by combining image, video, and audio references. The image controls the product identity, the video guides movement and camera direction, and the audio helps match the pacing and emotion of the scene. For this test, I'll create a premium skincare product commercial. Create a premium skincare product commercial using the reference image, video, and audio. Keep the skincare bottle design exactly the same while showing elegant product shots, smooth camera movements, and a clean beauty environment. The final result feels more cinematic because the product, movement, camera direction, and audio work together in one generation. Another major capability is the ability to generate up to 30 seconds of continuous video in a single generation, which is also a top-level feature in the market. Instead of generating many short clips and combining them manually, Seedance 2.5 can create longer sequences with smoother motion, stronger consistency, and more complete storytelling. Next, we have the Edit segment feature, where you can select and edit specific parts of your video. Edit segment is also a Dreamina exclusive feature, rather than a native capability of the Seedance 2.5 model. Simply click on this icon, select the segment you want to edit, and choose the duration, even a short 4-second clip. Once you've selected the duration, click Next. Now select the area of the video you want to edit. After selecting it, click Add to Chat and describe the changes you want to make. For example, I want to add black glasses to the person, so I'll enter the prompt and click Generate. And now, let's preview the result. As you can see, our edited video is ready. You can easily modify specific video segments without changing the entire video. Next, we have the Smart Edit feature. Smart Edit Mode is a Dreamina exclusive feature, not a native feature of the Seedance 2.5 model. With this feature, you can easily change, remove, or edit objects in your video. For example, I'll upload this video and select the object I want to remove. Then, I'll click Add to Chat and enter a simple prompt like, "Remove this object," and there we go. Our new video is ready. As you can see, both Edit segment and Smart Edit make video editing much easier and faster. So, make sure to try them out. After testing Dreamina Seedance 2.5, it's clear that this model offers much more than simple AI video generation. With support for up to 50 multimodal reference assets, 30-second continuous generation, white model and green screen workflows, intelligent edit mode, Blender and Maya plugins, and ultra-long video generation, Dreamina provides a complete environment for creating professional AI content. Because Dreamina has been specifically upgraded to maximize Seedance 2.5 and offers the Seedance series at one of the most competitive prices in the industry, it is one of the best and most affordable platforms for using this model. Whether you're creating e-commerce ads, product campaigns, social media videos, or professional visual content, Dreamina gives you more control from the first idea to the final result.